Hey everyone! Welcome back to Healthcare 90s. Today we're breaking down simple doctor-recommended tricks that can help reduce headaches, and some of them can work in just minutes. Let's get straight into it. 1. Drink water first. One of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration. Before trying anything else, drink a full glass of water and wait a few minutes. If you haven't had much water today, that alone can make your head feel heavy or tight. 2. Massage pressure points. Try a gentle pressure point massage. Use your fingers to lightly press the soft area between your eyebrows, or massage your temples in slow circles. This relaxes tight muscles and improves blood flow, which may calm certain types of headaches. 3. Fix your posture. Headaches can come from neck tension, especially from looking down at phones. Lift your phone to eye level, straighten your back, and gently roll your shoulders. Just fixing posture can relieve a lot of tension. 4. Take a break from screens. If your eyes feel tired, headaches can follow. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps relax your eye muscles and reduces strain. 5. Cold or warm compress, 25 to 30 seconds. Try using a cold compress on your forehead if your headache feels hot or pounding, or a warm compress on the back of your neck if it feels tight. Both can help the muscles relax. Thanks for watching Healthcare 90s. If these tips helped you, tap like and subscribe for more simple health solutions. Comment the next health topic you want us to cover. See you in the next video.